In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely, healthy, and delicious tea. And that's going to be Moringa tea I'm talking about. And some of the health benefits of Moringa. This is Moringa. It's like a powder form, which I bring from Jamaica. And this is some organic honey. I'll show you what the package look like. And just set this aside. This is a package I bring from Jamaica. Lovely. And this is lovely, nice and healthy Moringa. So most people know before you have pills and stuff like that. Back in the days, earlier days, there was no pills anyway. So it's just the herbs and honey. That's what people, if you notice, even older people sometimes living longer than the younger people because they just get sick and die. Well, Moringa is very healthy for you and it's good to detoxify your body. It's good to reduce inflammation also. And not only that, it's good to reduce blood sugar and to lower cholesterol. It's also good for antidepressant. And not only that, it's good for your vision. And it's good to help to build up your immune system also. It's also good to enhance your skin health. It's good for your hair. It's also good for ulcer, digestive system, and it's good to heal your wound also. So this is one of the herbs you need to have in your home to drink on a daily basis. For me, I love tea. I'm a tea person. So I'm going to show you normally how I would do this Moringa. I just set this aside. I have my cup, so I'm just going to get my cup here and I'm going to pour this. This is about a teaspoon, tablespoon of Moringa powder inside here. And what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to get my honey and I'm just going to pour it straight in over this. And the next thing what I'm going to do, I have some boiling water on the stove. Just go ahead, as you can hear that, just go ahead and pour it over your Moringa tea. So that's a portion for me. And you know, if you feel to add a bit of lemon in it, please do so. You don't have to, because this thing packed with vitamin and mineral. And then you just let this sit for probably about a minute or two. Then you consume it.